Have you ever received a meeting request in your Gmail inbox and weren't sure how to respond? Today, I'll show you exactly how to accept a meeting invite quickly and efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll be doing it like a pro. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Scroll through your emails until you spot the meeting invitation. It usually stands out with a calendar icon or a subject line that mentions a meeting. Click on the email to open it, and you'll immediately see all the details: the date, time, participant, and any notes from the organizer. Make sure to check for links, agendas, or special instructions. They can be important. Next, look near the bottom of the email. You'll find buttons labeled yes, no, or maybe. Clicking yes will accept the invitation, notify the organizer that you're attending, and automatically add the event to your Google Calendar. This keeps all your meetings organized in one place. If you don't see these options right away, check for a More Options link or expand any hidden sections in the email. Once you click yes, a confirmation will appear and you can double check your calendar to ensure the event is listed. And if your availability changes later, you can update your response in Gmail or directly in Google Calendar by declining or proposing a new time. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can confidently accept any meeting request from Gmail, stay organized, and never miss an important appointment again.